Today we're here at Denham Blythe in Goodlettsville, Tennessee with Eric Callis, one of the project managers here. Eric, thank you for inviting us and let us come talk to you today. I want to talk to you a little bit about the project that we did here for you back in 2017 as you guys were building your new office. You asked JRC to do the roofing project. Can you tell us a little bit about why you picked JRC?
We really wanted to focus on having contractors that we used in the past from the start to when we came to the Nashville area from Lexington, Kentucky, where we're headquarters. And we didn't have a lot on our bidders list, and we wanted to stick to those guys that we knew well, we had good relationships with, and that could give us a quality product. And so that's why JRC was one on our list, and was a successful bidder, and good job on our project.
Mm-hmm. So it's some of those relationships that you had working with JRC in the past. If you would, tell us a little bit, some about the relationships that you had with JRC working with the different departments.
Yeah, well, it all starts with estimating, and just working with Brian Anderson. It's always good to know someone well. We have a good relationship. If there's anything I need, I know I can always pick up the phone and call him and get a quick answer. If there's any help last minute we need, you guys are always there to help us. And just response time's always good, which is important in the construction industry. Everyone wants everything now, and with you guys we get good service out of that.
Absolutely. Anybody else stick out within the company that's been helpful to you?
Yeah, procurement with Joey. In getting submittals in a timely manner, that's important. And then from the production standpoint, it's always good working with Ty and Webb. They're very responsive. Anytime, pre-job meetings, things like that, get things going. If there's any kind of issues, warranty issues or anything that goes on, they're always quick to respond, quick to come out, take a look, figure out what's going on, and see what they can do to help us.
Mm-hmm. Construction, there's always something that usually happens. It's how you handle when it does. Is there any particular instance that happened on this project that you could say JRC kind of went above and beyond?
Yeah, there was a few cases, different subs coming in, making penetrations to the roof after the fact, or things done not quite how they should. Wasn't a problem that JRC created, but it was a solution that we need them to help us fix, and they came in timely manner and got that taken care of for us.
Awesome. Yeah, we really pride ourselves on JRC, on our people, and the relationships with our customers. I mean, it's really a part of JRC's culture. Do you care to expound on the company's culture?
Yeah, I think we have a lot in common in that respect. Denham Blythe really prides herself on the relationships we have with our customers, how we treat them, and I think it's earned us continued business, and why we're proud of having over 90% repeat customers, and JRC's the same way, and just how they treat their customers, their contractors, owners, whoever they're dealing with, the relationships that they have, and you can really trust somebody, and just earns you more business if they know and trust you.
Awesome. Well, Eric, thanks again for having us here today. Also, thank you for letting us do the roofing project here at Denham Blythe. We do really appreciate that, and hopefully we'll do many more roofs for you guys in the future.